Hello everyone, here is today's problem. The numbers in order of each row and the numbers in order of each column of a 5 by 5 array of integers form an arithmetic progression of length 5. The numbers in the position 5, 5, 2, 4, 4, 3 and 3, 1 are 0, 48, 16 and 12 respectively. What is the number in the position 1, 2? This question is from 2024 AMC 10A, problem 21. The main idea for this problem is arithmetic progression. Let's recall the basic of arithmetic progression. Suppose A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then the common ratio is B minus A. Also, it is C minus B. This means that 2B equals A plus C. We will keep using this to solve our problem. So let's use this. We'll use the special number 0 here. So we will have this is A, 2A, 3A, and 4A. Now we focus on the row number 3. The first number is 12 and the last number is 2A. If the number in the middle is x, so we have 2x equals 12 plus 2A, which means that x equals to 6 plus 8. So now we know that this x equals 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. Now call this number as 1. And we know that from the row number 2, double of 48 equals 3A plus y. So y equals to 96 minus 3A. So this is 96 minus 3A. Now we look at these three numbers which also form an arithmetic progression. So double of 6 plus A equals 96 minus 3A plus 16. So 12 plus 2A equals 112 minus 3A. So meaning that 5A equals 100, A equals to 20. Now since A equals 20, we can rewrite our answer. So this is 20, 40, 60, 80. A is 20, so this is 26. Therefore this is 36. Now we call this as R. From the row number 4, we form another arithmetic progression and we have double of 16 equals R plus 20. So 32 equals R plus 20, R equals to 12. So R equals to 12. Since this number is 12, meaning that this will be always 12. Now easily, from the column number 3, this is 46. So double of this unknown is equals to 12 plus 46, that is 58. And therefore, the unknown is equals 29. So the answer for this question is 29. So to solve this problem, we only need to know the basic idea of an arithmetic progression. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.